Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the week 4 assignment 4 of cloud computing in PTL. So the first question here answer is option D. Second question is option C. Third question is option D. Fourth is B. Fifth is option C. And sixth question is option B. Seventh question is answer B. And the eighth question, as you can see, it is option D. And the ninth question has been the answer is option C, and the 10th question has been option B. So this is how the answer has been gotten to our place, and the answer all are kept in the description below. You can check it out and follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing NPTEL answers and cloud computing videos, also another resources for marks distribution, also education resources. You can check it out. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.